Now let's review figure 20-40. And again, this figure comes from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And we're looking at supervised industrial installation feeders and branch circuit conductors in accordance with 240.92A. And that rule basically is the same as 240.21. Wherever these conductors receive their supply, you need overcurrent protection. Look at the branch circuit overcurrent device where the conductors receive their supply. There's no overcurrent device. There's no overcurrent device feeding this transformer. And notice on the secondary side of that transformer, that's not a tap. See, we have an overcurrent device there protecting those conductors. Bus duct or feeders, we have an overcurrent device, protecting those conductors. So we're protecting these conductors from short circuits and ground faults. In some cases, the arrangement could even be protection from overloads. And that's basically now what this illustration 20-40 is illustrating, that the point where a conductor receives its source of supply, you need overcurrent protection there. But now we're going to get into tap rules when we look at the next illustration. But right now, that's all figure 20-40 is illustrating to the user of the code.